Coach 7 Tutorials. Troubleshooting VinciLab connection. Before you start using VinciLab with your computer, be sure you have already installed Coach 7 or Coach 7 Lite. It may happen that after connecting VinciLab to your computer, the Coach software fails to communicate with VinciLab. There can be a couple of reasons why this happens. This video will show you how you may fix the problem. Reason 1. The VinciLab driver is not correctly installed on your computer. After a successful installation, VinciLab should be visible in the Windows Device Manager under Network Adapters. To check the driver installation, run the Windows Device Manager. If the driver wasn't successfully installed, it may be displayed under Network Adapters with another name. For example, as USB Ethernet RNDIS gadget. Or, it may appear under Connectors, Common LPT, a serial USB device. To install the driver, locate a wrong installed device, right-click it, and select Update Driver Software. Select Browse My Computer for driver software. Browse to the following location: Program Files, x86, CMA. Coach 7. Common. Ethernet cable driver. Confirm with OK. Click Next. The driver software will be installed. Confirm that you trust software for CMA. After successful installation, the message, "Windows has successfully updated your driver," appears, and shows the correctly installed VinciLab driver. Reason 2. Firewall settings. To be able to use Coach with VinciLab, you must allow it through the Windows Firewall. Go to your Windows Start menu, and select Settings. Start typing Firewall. Choose Firewall and Network Protection. Choose Allow an app through Firewall. Choose Change Settings. Here the administrator right is required. Find Coach 7 app on the list. If it is not there, you need to allow it first. Browse to select the Coach 7 app, which is located in the folder Program Files, x86. CMA, Coach 7. Full. Select Coach 7 file. Check both boxes. Confirm with OK. Note that also some antivirus programs can block communication with VinciLab. Give Coach 7 permission for such communication. And remember to always restart VinciLab after a failed attempt to connect it in Coach. Or after a change of the VinciLab settings in Coach.